Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Metal Recorder is installed, signed in, and the target window is ready. Now, select Capture Mode, Window or Full Screen, and pick 30 or 60 FPS for smooth footage. Next, enable both microphone and system audio so commentary and game sound record together. Assign a hotkey for start/stop. This saves time during live play. Once done, press the hotkey to start a short test clip and review audio levels so your final recording is balanced. You now tune quality and on-screen elements to match purpose and file limits. Set resolution to 720p, 1080p, or 1440p, and adjust bitrate so files are manageable. Higher bitrate reduces artifacting. Then enable Facecam overlay, drag it to a corner using the live preview, and resize to avoid HUD obstruction. Also, enable timestamp and HUD capture if you need replay context, and turn on automatic clipping for high. You finish by stopping the recording with your hotkey and saving the file with a clear name for easy retrieval. Export to MP4 or your preferred format. Choose hardware encoding when your GPU supports it, because it speeds up export and lowers CPU load. Make sure to check the saved clip for audio sync and visual quality. If the video shows low FPS or stuttering, reduce resolution, lower bitrate, or switch to hardware encoding. This is the key troubleshooting tip that fixes most performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.